Hi guys, today I gonna show you how to, if your video is not playing the window media player, so how to play it. And as you can see, I just connect my Galaxy through USB cable to my PC, and that's the my phone here, Galaxy, and here is the all the video photo and videos I have it my phone. So if I try to play any some video is play on the phone, it's playing all the video, but on the computer some video is not playing. So when I try to click here, this video is try to download, but after downloading it's giving me the error, is saying window media player cannot play the video because there is a problem with your video card. So I don't know what's wrong, maybe missing driver or some file. So how to play that kind of video? That video is still on my phone. So if I try to make a copy and paste it to the uh, PC drive, copy paste like, and so now it's copying. So let's see, now it's play, no, still the same message. And also I try to download the other media player like VLC media player, and here also if I try to play the same video, it's giving me, yes, today I gonna change the it's showing it's playing, but it's play only audio, but it's that's the video I make it, but it doesn't show me the video, it's play only audio. So if you have video, you have trouble like this, so how to fix that problem? So you have to go to the Google and on the search bar write a media player codec pack. So that's the on the same website, here media player codec pack.com, and the first page, that's the gonna you will see. So that's the download option. So it depend what PC you have it and what window you have it, but I have my PC is window 10, so the first option I gonna select it, and it's acceptable 64 bytes or 32 bytes. So I gonna click to the download. So it's almost going to finish. So yeah, it's asking permission, so yes, I allow. Next, easy installation is already selected easy, so leave it as it. Agree, that's accept all the licenses, and here also leave it as it is. Next, again accept. Accept. So it's installing now. So yes, it's finished now. So installation is complete. So let's see what we download. So that's the media player. We just load it, go to file, open file. Yeah, that's the one. Open. Okay. Hey guys, today I gonna change the suspension airbag on the front. You see now I have audio and video is playing. So that's the way, if your video is not playing, so you just download that media player and it's gonna work. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day.